Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's lecture, we will discuss 30 advanced words found in newspapers. Let's take the first headline. Global Summit addresses climate crisis. Leaders seek unified solutions for a sustainable future. This is the news headline that we can see in our newspaper. The vocabulary words are summit, unified, and sustainable. Summit. Summit means a meeting or conference of leaders, usually to discuss and address significant issues or challenges. Unified. Unified means working together in a coordinated and cohesive manner, often towards a common goal or objective. Sustainable. It means capable of being maintained over the long term without causing significant harm to the environment, economy, or society. Next is artificial intelligence revolutionizes industries. Ethical concerns spark global debate. The vocabulary words in this sentence is revolutionizes, ethical, and debate. Revolutionizes. It means brings about a radical or complete change, often leading to a significant transformation in a particular area. Ethical. It means relating to principles of right and wrong behavior pertaining to morality and values. Debate. Debate means a formal discussion presenting opposing arguments with the aim of resolution or understanding. The next newsline is educational reform initiatives take center stage. Governments pledge investments in future generations. The first vocabulary word in this news is reform. It means improving a system, policy, or practice to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. Initiative means planned and purposeful actions or strategies intended to bring about a specific change or improvement. Pledge. Pledge means a formal commitment to dedicate resources or support to a cause or initiative. Next news is breakthrough in medical research promising vaccine shows high efficacy against emerging viral strains. Here, the first vocabulary word is breakthrough. It means a significant and groundbreaking development or discovery indicating progress in a particular field. Efficacy. Efficacy is the ability of a treatment, vaccine, or intervention to produce the desired result or effect under specific conditions. Emerging. Emerging means coming into view or becoming known, often referring to a new or previously unknown entities such as viral strains. The diplomatic talks aimed at de-escalating tensions concluded without a concrete resolution. Diplomatic. Diplomatic means concerning the conduct, actions, and relationships of nations and their representatives. De-escalate. It means to decrease or reduce the intensity or severity of a conflict or situation. Concrete. It means definite and specific, means not abstract or general. Economic resilience. Nations explore strategies to navigate post-pandemic financial landscape. Resilience. It means the ability to recover quickly from difficulties or setbacks. Is adaptability in the face of challenges. Navigate. Navigate means to plan and direct the course of a journey or process, often through complex or challenging situations. Post-pandemic. It is the period following a pandemic, referring to the time after the widespread occurrence of a disease. Cybersecurity alert. Organizations brace for surge in online threats. Cybersecurity means safeguarding computer systems from digital threats and unauthorized access. Brace means to prepare or get ready for a challenging or difficult situations. Surge. Surge means a sudden and significant increase, often used in the context of a surge in the number or intensity of online threats. Next news line is reviving cultural heritage, restoration projects, preserving historical landmarks. The first word is reviving. It means restoring to life, consciousness, or vitality, bringing back to existence. Restoration. Restoration means returning something to its original state to preserve its authenticity and significance. Preserving. Preserving means protecting and maintaining something to ensure its longevity or continued existence. Next headline is Global Health Crisis Averted. New vaccine effective against emerging viral threats. Here, averted means prevented or avoided, especially in the context of a crisis or disaster. Vaccine means a biological preparation that provides immunity against a specific disease. Emerging. Emerging means coming into view or becoming known, often referring to new or previously unknown entities such as viral threats. Post-pandemic economic rebound. Market shows signs of robust recovery. Post-pandemic. It means referring to the period following a pandemic, indicating a time of recovery. Economic rebound. It means the revival or recovery of economic activity after a downturn or recession. Robust. Robust means strong, resilient, and characterized by vigorous growth or performance. Thank you. Thank you for watching.